You would be surprised to know that the idea of using solar thermal power is not a relatively modern one. Ancient writings show Egyptian and Chaldean scientific technology to be so well developed that they knew how to harness solar power in its simplest form. We have finally reached the stage when better sense is prevailing, slowly and steadily, and we want to utilize that same knowledge in the form of solar.
Out of the most powerful natural energy resources, which are never going to be exhausted, solar energy takes the place of either along with wind energy and water energy. Using intelligent and judicial methods and actions to harness these powerful sources of energy are among the top priorities of many environmental companies as well as many progressive governments.
Solar thermal power can not only be used for heating purposes, but the same energy can be used to generate electricity. It can even be stored to a certain extent so that it can retain heat for many hours after sunset. This is done by heating substances underground such as special sands and harnessing that heat later. Solar parabolic troughs are capable of heating water and air. Pumps used to move the liquid as well as the air to the required medium through pipes.
Using solar thermal power for generating renewable and a continuous source of thermal energy in a cost-effective way is one of the ways, which is being implemented successfully in many commercial buildings and eco-innovative businesses and homes. One can also use the solar energy to drive huge turbines for the generation of electricity by the use of powerful solar concentrators and solar collectors.
The extraction of biofuels in the shape of oil rigs take over precious land that can be used for agricultural purposes. This is definitely not the case for setting up a solar thermal power plant. Just a couple of hectares of land can be utilized to set up a fully functional hassle-free plant, which is going to generate electricity for heating and lighting purposes, as long as there is sunlight around.